Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be checking out the Deadbolt aluminum links, part number TRC-057. These links are the full kit. You're going to get 6 complete links. You're going to get the wishbone, and you're going to get the inserts and some O-rings that keep everything together. All right, let's take a look at what you get in the package. Good. Opening this up. Let's get the top card out. Use a knife. Just go ahead and open this up. Okay. All right, there's the 2 small links. You get the medium-sized ones and the longer rear pieces. Get the wishbone out, and here are the little inserts. So these little guys basically go inside here, and then the O-rings go on each side, and I'll show you guys how to assemble these, and then they go directly on the vehicle. So let's get going and put all the inserts and the O-rings, and then we'll move on to putting them on the deadbolt. Let me show you guys how to assemble the inserts. So you're gonna take one of the O-rings and one of the inserts. You're gonna slide the O-ring on one side. Yeah, they're very tricky because it's just a small part. Okay, come on. Okay, there's one. Then you're gonna go ahead and take one of the links. You're gonna slide one side. You're gonna make sure the O-ring is right there, and then you're gonna take another O-ring and you are going to slide it inside, and that is how the insert with the O-ring is kept together. I'll go ahead and install all the other ones for you guys, and then we'll move on to putting these on the deadbolt. Once you've installed the inserts in the links, this is what they're going to look like. Basically 1, 2 on all of them, and should you lose an insert or an O-ring, we do supply extra parts. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be taking off the links off of the vehicle, and then we'll go ahead and swap the new ones inside, and you're going to be taking off essentially all the screws that connect the links to the axles and to the plate. So let's go ahead and get that done. Once you've taken off all of the links, what I like to do so I know where everything goes back in is I like to line up each part with its corresponding aluminum upgrade. So this is the wishbone. This is the TRC wishbone. These are the front lower links with the aluminum lower links. And then over here, you have the rear upper links. And over here, you have the rear bottom links. So what we're going to do is now we're going to go ahead and reinstall everything backwards with the aluminum links back in. And I'll show you guys the end results. So let's go ahead and reassemble this, and let me show you guys how that's done. Okay, that is the front all done. And let's go ahead and take care of the rear. And here we are. We'll go ahead and put the wheels back on. And then we are done. Here we go. Here we are. And I am aware I have installed these upside down, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea on how they go in. I'll go ahead and fix that for next time. All right, let's go ahead and put the wheels back on and let's see what it looks like. And here we go. We're all set. This is what it's going to look like. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.